combine the best parts of our preset click wrench with our digital torque and angle wrench. We call it the TAC. Customers love it. It was even nominated for Tool of the Year at the 2021 Assembly Show. Some love the ease of use. Some love the torque and angle functionality in a click wrench. Torque and angle provides greater accuracy and reveals more assembly errors than does torque alone. The TAC gives you the torque value for the point at which the wrench clicked and the torque and angle value of where the operator stopped pulling. You have actionable data. Vote for the TAC wrench Tool of the Year in the lobby at the Assembly Show. Accurate, reliable, durable. Tools you trust from the engineering minds at Sturtevant, Richmont.